Hello, thanks for joining us. My name is Miranda. This video will cover the Hydro SS 700 direct feed unit. The Hydro units are our smallest atomizing units. They are quiet, lightweight, and perfectly suited for hobby-sized greenhouses, outdoor event cooling, and other small applications. Since cool, humidified air naturally wants to descend, these direct feed units perform very well when mounted up overhead. Once in place, you can pivot the fogging head to your desired angle. Here you can see the unit's drain line connection, rear feed water inlet connection, and the 115-volt motor that atomizes and propels the fog. Water is fed under ordinary pressure to the flow meter panel and into the back of the unit. The water is directed to the rear of the blade assembly where it enters a reservoir. The blade's rotation divides the water into internal passageways that extend the length of each blade. The water exits near the end of each blade, where it meets a pinned venturi at high speed to complete atomization. In short, the Hydro SS 700 uses a dependable, nozzle-free atomization method to produce amazingly fine fog without the need for high-pressure pumps. The Hydro SS 700 direct feed unit comes with a 14-foot power cord with plug, 20 feet of water supply line with a standard garden hose connection, 12 feet of drain line for wastewater control, 2 hardware options for hanging, and the all-important flow meter panel, which controls fogging output. The scale is in cc's per minute. The maximum output is 300 cc's per minute or 5 gallons per hour. The flow meter panel features a needle valve flow control and an inline strainer for capturing any large debris. If you'd like to automate your unit, we have direct feed controls that are equipped with water solenoids to control the water flow and power simultaneously. We also have a selection of stands and supports for convenient installation. The Hydro SS 700 direct feed arrives fully assembled, ready to install. It's a popular unit that's both quiet and efficient, making it suitable for numerous applications. Now let's see this unit in action. We're in Jaybird's testing area to demonstrate the Hydro SS direct feed. We use a black background and covered lights to help illuminate the fog. Okay, go ahead and turn the unit on. This is fogging at 4 gallons per hour, and as you can see, the fog is very good quality and evaporating quickly. Average particle size is 35 microns, but most importantly, the fine mist particles are evaporating off, converting to humidity, and providing cooling. Mounting these units up high will allow more time for evaporation to occur. Here is a look at the volume of water exiting the drain line. At this fogging rate, wastewater is about 25%. A nice volume of cool fog, perfect for small greenhouses, interior humidification, or outdoor cooling. What you're seeing is about 2 tons of evaporative cooling from a unit drawing only 1.5 amps of energy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Hydro SS direct feed unit or would like to order, check out our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.